Hello, I'm Will Hedden and these are your morning market headlines from IG Insight. It's Thursday the 14th of February. The FTSE off so far 5 points at 63.53 with the mining sector lending some support. We've had Rio Tinto, the biggest reporter today, a $3 billion net loss for the full year for 2012, but this is slightly better than expected and the new CEO has been in charge for around a month now, pushing cost cutting and also a focus on the primary iron ore business. The market does like the numbers as earnings are a beat. We knew about the write-downs that push the company to a loss from around a month ago, so we see the stock up 1% so far. Now on the downside, we're seeing AMEC suffering. They're down 5% despite a good set of figures. Looks like disappointment on a lack of a share buyback here. And then Rolls-Royce, the last of the FTSE big names, pre-tax profit a touch better for them and doesn't see any impact from the Boeing Dreamliner crisis. The stock for Rolls-Royce off 1%. This morning we've got UK retail sales at 9:30 for January, expected growth of 0.4% from a touch decline in December, although don't forget the weather as it's always a big factor in the retail sales figures. European GDP is the gloomy story though this morning. A Q4 in France, 0.3% retraction, and the same, in fact worse in Germany, 0.6% retraction there, with Reuters reporting that exports are the big worry for German figures when you drill down in this number. Now Eurodollar not enjoying this news, understandably. We see a move around 40 or 50 points to the downside so far, 134.10. Now in the US we saw the M&A sector lighting up again yesterday with news that General Electric are agreeing to offload their remaining stake in NBC Universal to Comcast. This has been on the cards for some time but hadn't actually been pushed through when it comes actually a year later than expected. Now opening call today we're expecting a touch better. The Dow 139.80, up around 15 points from the close yesterday. We did see it trading above the 14,000 level yesterday but closing away from those 5-year highs. That's it from me. Do check out Insight for further news and analysis.